What's going on, guys? In today's quick walkthrough, I'll show you how to manage your team members inside the APItoolkit dashboard, including adding, removing, and updating permissions for your project collaborators. So let's get started. And we're going to log into our APItoolkit dashboard. Once you log in, on the bottom left corner of your dashboard, you're going to see the settings tab. Click on the settings tab. Now we are going to see a subsection of the settings here. We are going to click on manage members. On this page, you're going to have full control over your project members. You can do three main things on this page. You can add new members to your project. You can remove members who no longer need access to the project. You can also update permissions for existing members. To add a new member, you can do that by typing their email here. So I'm just going to change this. Then you're going to choose a role for that person. You can choose the admin, you can choose just edit, or you can choose just view. Then when that's done, you can send an invite to the person. Now once you send the invite, it's going to be sent, and once their user accepts, they're going to have access to the project with the particular permission you have given to them. Now to delete is just like very basic. Over here you have the delete button. You can go ahead and click the delete button and the person is going to be deleted. As you can see, that was really simple. So if you have any question, let me know in the comment section and I'll see you in the next one.